This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 6, water heater, refrigerator, slideout, Colorado detector, stove top burner, smoke detector, microwave, LP detector, skylight, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is 8,394 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.